YouTube channel. Let's go. So, ayan guys, dahil nandito tayo ngayon sa Flower City. But now, yung ibang flower po ay no more. So, maybe change the other one. That's why only cherry blossom. Ayan. And my friend is there. Here. And me is on the center of garden. So this under of the big tree. The big tree lack of banana. Ayan, dahil tayo ay gabi na, actually 6 o'clock. No more flowers, only this one. Before ay fountain po ang nandito, or either kapag ka may mga occasion, nilalagyan nila ito ng mga anik-anik. So now ito ay puro grass na. So ayan, very clear. And now I go to the garden of cherry blossom. So now yung iba po ay nag-bloom na at nag-change na din sila ng leaves. So konti na lang. So hakbang tayo dito. Ayan. Oh, may have the bird. I think this tree is already died. Oh, this one, oh, not already. You see, the flowers is not bloom here. Oh my, oh, it's not bloom already, but the leaves here. And this one is like a red. Oh no, it's a red. Oh, red or pink, like of my lipstick. Ayan, simple lang tayo guys. Parang nilang simple here. Oh, lagyan natin sa may tenga. And then konting silip. What happened to you? What happened to you, man? A big, oh my god. Where's my friend? Ah, here. Ayan, o, diba? A lot of cherry blossom tree. But not like me. Not bloom. Ayan, guys. Oh. Dahil, because this is the phone, my phone not turn around the camera. Okay. I try to use because before this phone is automatically stop if the video is long. So, oh, diba? Piling bloom tayo ngayon. Oh no! Dahil mababa po ang mga cherry blossom dito, so So what you want? Like this? You this? Oh. O bakit ako na? Bakit face ko na? Oh my God. Eh, cherry blossom nga, diba? Cherry blossom ang bida. So, medyo pa baby naman tayo. Feeling mo kagandahan, no? Wala kang karapatan. Dahil sabi nga, buhok lang ang maganda sa'yo. Die! Oh no! Oh, diba? If you are walking, you sing along. Though I'm not the favorite song. Hey, hey. Don't wanna be the wind. There's nothing left to say. Ho ho. You know where something will sing again. And we need you to a friend. Cherry blossom tayo. Don't wanna be. Hi. Hello guys. Dito si Menabik na makulit. Super naughty. This your friend naughty. If you accept, it's truth. Like chililing. Chingaling-aling, aling-ling-ling, ayan. Tingaling-aling. Ayan, so, pasensya na guys, ano, dahil this phone, no back camera. So, pagtyagaan nyo na lang po ang pagmumukha ni Menabik na maganda lang ang buhok, not face. So dito naman tayo kasi ito ay may mga leaves na. At dito naman tayo sa kabilang part. So here. Ayan. Oh. Dito is puro may leaves na siya. Ayan oh. Until there, until here. This one. Oh. But this one, the other place is all, not all, have the tree. They have leaves already. Okay? Finish the flower. Finish the bloom of cherry. Ano ba? Kasi Tagalogin mo na lang, hindi ka na mahirapan. Oh my God. Pwede mong ilagay sa tenga. Tapos sumigaw ka ng Marimar. Costanita soy. Kunwari ikaw si Marimar. Ayan. O diba ang ganda-ganda. Not like me ha. Cherry blossom lang. This cherry blossom with me. Oh. Like here on the air, on the eyes, on the nose, on the face. And you put look like a clip. Marimar Castanita Soy. Nabaliw na. Ayan. Dahil dwarf lang yata to ang tawag. May konting silip doon. Where is your eyes? And where is your flat nose? Oh no. Oh! Many birds. Dami guys oh. Oh, diba? Yeah, it's true. I'm a flat nose. Ayun guys. Tapos dito pa. Wow, all is dwarf. Diba? Baba lang. At actually, ako lang nag-iisa dito. My friend is there. Oh, no more people in our surrounding. You see? See guys, only me. Yan. Dahil ang labas ko ay panghapon na. nanghuli na ng ibon. Ayan o. Very, 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 very is a berry. Like a berry berry. Nice one. Cherry blossom. Ayan. Here, so many. Be careful your eyes. Oh, here. Many cherry blossom. Ito po ay long time ko na, but cannot go there. I'm busy every day, every night. So ayan, this is the flowers, the cherry blossom garden. Here, the next one, ayan, you see, very, very short one here, until the this one, you see, very short. Oh my god, here until when my waistline, tummy. Here, where? Yes, napakababa niya po. Ayan o. See the flowers. See the flowers? Yeah, here. You see? Very short lang talaga siya. Ayan. Baba niya guys, di ba? Kung ano ko lang is hanggang baywang ko lang siya. So at yan, hanggang dito na lang po guys. Manabik with cherry blossom. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Love you all.